I'm Shane Yount. I'm the President and CEO of Competitive Solutions. I'm joined by my colleague, David Mitchell. He leads our Atlanta office in sales and marketing. We've been in this space for 35 plus years, and what we do is we help organizations in three ways. We help them optimize their tier management system. So we help them build an operating structure that really moves the business forward. Secondly, we've got a great digital tool that takes that output and creates your metrics, your meetings, your actions, your projects, all in one great electronic space that helps you run your business. And then lastly, we do leadership development, and we've trained leaders all over the world on our Leadership GPS platform that we're super excited about and that we talked about yesterday during our session. I think we've spoken at the Generis American Manufacturing Summit every year since it started. This was a great year with great attendance, and we've gotten some great feedback. They were good. They were very good. We always appreciate that the folks that have heard us in our session like to seek us out and have richer conversations, and that works really well for us.